Hello students of standard 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. Mall Public School welcomes you all in E-class. Let's begin an online session of English. Myself, Renuka Sachewar, your English teacher. Our today's topic is At the Zoo, Part 1. This is a poem. This poem is taken from your English Reader First Unit Animal World. Have you seen this picture? Yes. What is this? This is a picture of zoo. This is a picture of zoo. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions to you. Tell me, have you ever visited a zoo? And what makes the visit to the zoo enjoyable or not? Yes, of course, it is very enjoyable. So, let's start the lesson. Yes, this is the zoo. See in this picture, there are so many animals kept in the zoo in cage. This is first paragraph. And the poet of this poem is Ellen Matthews. So, what poet is saying? Everybody recite with me. Let's recite the poem first. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Yes, be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Okay, so this is the first stanza. What poet is saying here? The poet is asking that what does the poet want us to be careful about? Yes, what does the poet want us to be careful about here in this zoo? The poet wants us to be careful about our words and action when we visited in the zoo. Whenever we will go in the zoo, whenever we will visit in the zoo, we should be careful about our words and action. We should do not harm anyone in the zoo. We should be very careful about our action in the zoo, because in that zoo there are so many animals. Some animals will be violent, so we should be very careful about it. I hope you understand this first paragraph. In this first paragraph, what poet is saying? The poet is saying that we want to be very careful about our words and action whenever we will visit in the zoo. Okay, now let's see the next. This is the second stanza. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bum. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bum. Hump means hump. See in this picture. Which picture is this? This is camel, right? This is camel. Hump. It means rounded projecting part of camel. See in that picture. That is rounded projecting part on its back. That part is called hump. Okay, so what poet explaining here? Poet saying, don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bum. Noble means that deserve praise, right? Noble means that deserve praise, right? So what poet is saying here? Why shouldn't we make fun of the camel's hump? Poet is asking, why shouldn't we make fun of the camel's hump? So, the poet is saying that We shouldn't make fun of the camel's hump because it is a natural thing which is gifted by the god to the camel, right? It is gifted. It is a natural thing. It is natural thing. It is the structure of that animal. Okay, so we should not be make fun of them because he is very proud of his noble bump. It is a noble bump, right? Okay, because it is a natural thing which is gifted by the nature, which is gifted by the god to this animal, to the camel. That's why poet is saying, don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Okay, let's see the next. This is the third stanza. What poet is saying here? Read it. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. You or me, it means you means we are, we human beings, we, the people, the persons, right? So what poet is saying? Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as we are, as wise as you or me. So what poet is asking? Poet is asking that what makes the chimpanzee think of himself? What does the chimpanzee think of himself? Yes, so poet is saying, poet is explaining here that the chimpanzee thinks that he is as wise as human beings or persons or people, right? So we should not be laugh on them. They are as wise as we are. They are as wise as we are. We are means human beings. That's why we should not be laughed on them. Okay, so these are three stanzas of this poem. This is the part 1. Rest of the part we will see in next class, in next video. So this is your assignment for today. Write do's or don't in the blanks to give the correct message. Add 2 instructions of your own to the list. Okay, this is your question. A hearty welcome to the world of animals, right? Please observe the following rules. These are some rules which we should follow in the zoo. Whenever we are visiting in the zoo, at that time we should follow these rules. So these some rules are incomplete. You should be make it complete and 2 sentence write your own. Okay. So this is your today's assignment. We will see you in its next part. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.